I've always been quite interested in the welfare of animals and the rehabilitation, seeing them develop from one stage to another.
The fact that we've got animals on site, that was very important, that you don't have to travel too much, especially coming from Orkney. Travel's going to be a bit of an issue.
We've just had provisional validation for the veterinary nursing degree with honours. It's a 4-year course. It's the first veterinary nursing degree that's been run by SRUC for veterinary nursing. The students will be learning many of the core units and skills that are set by our governing body, which is the RCVS. So here on campus we're very lucky to have a lot of facilities. We not only have our dairy farm, but we also have an animal care training centre which has an abundance of small furries, including reptiles, to aid with students' practical progression and teaching as well.
I'm quite looking forward to learning about the aftercare and just how the animals work, and the biology and things behind it. It's quite interesting.
Well, I'd always been very passionate about animals for a very long time, and coming down into my interview and things, it definitely made things a bit more secure that it was the right decision.
The love of animals and interest in animals, really.
I've just got a really great passion for animals as well. But, I've done a lot of volunteering surrounding large animals, so I can't wait to work for them again.